Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of you. Today my presentation topic is about the graphic design. This is my student ID and subject code, and the subject is creative industry and event policies. So this is all my contents about the graphic design. First of all, I will talk about the introduction about the graphic design, who invented this graphic design and why it is the essential in the industry, how these components play important role and the benefits, what kind of the principles are important in the graphic designs, and how many percent yearly, annually they get, how much income, all the thing I will talk in during the presentation, and we have conclusion as well. So first of all, I would like to talk about the graphic design. The William Edison begins in 1922. He invented the graphic design. He thought that the graphic design is a craft where the professionals create visual content to communicate the message. Visually they can communicate the message, and the minutes number of the people they can send the message, what their objects, what their vision and mission. By applying visual content and page layout techniques, designers use typography and vision to meet users. What is the typography? Typography is one kind of the art. By that kind of the art, you can send your message, your object and everything with the visual content. Then even the specific need and focus on the logic of displaying elements in interactive designers to optimize the user's experience. When they use the typographic and hierarchy content and everything in the graphic design, the user's experience get the more. They can know your brand and the marketing level, everything as in a beautiful way. So by this point, the William Edison begins in 1922. He invented the graphic design. Why it is essential in the creative industries? The optimize our marketing efforts, easily can remember brand by the customers. When we use the graphic design in our company or any business, so if the brand we can recognize by the easily, because the graphic design is totally look different. It's not like a simple art. Then the client quickly familiar with your company offers and the promotions. They know about your promotions, discount and everything. The process will be because made by the graphic designs and everything. Idea can share with your beautiful way to customer. During the graphic design, we have seven elements of good graphic design. We have to know about this thing. This is the main thing, which one is used in the graphic design, and we follow this all the seven elements. Which one is the line, color, texture, size, shape, space, value. Even when we make the presentation, we always follow these seven elements, and we make our presentation in the PowerPoint as well. It is also under the graphic design. So which here we have the principle play important role. Which kind of the principle they have under the graphic design? We have benefits, we have the components as well. So principle is the typography, hierarchy and color. Typography is one kind of the art. They use that kind of the art in the graphic design to make the they can use in the social media for logo, brand, website, everything. They can use the typography. Hierarchy is one kind of the position. We can say the hierarchy is they follow the number of the position, that is called the hierarchy. And the colors, graphic design used in advertising, brochures, website, marketing and more. Under the publication, packaging, art and illustration, layout and print design, this all the thing used in the graphic design. Then benefits, what kind of the benefits we have? So benefits, identity and brand recognition. So when we use the graphic design in our business, in our any further brand, so we make the different kind of the logo, different kind of the image in our company. So it's easily can recognize by the customer. Communication also important is the visual communication. Then we have a build trust, loyalty. So and the increased sales, marketing positions. So this is all the position the benefits we have during the graphic design when we use in our business. Critical importance of graphic design in business. Which kind of the critical importance we have? In graphic design visual communication makes 90% of information transmitted in human brain to create awareness of brand and familiar with object. In the 19th century, before the 1922, there was no graphic design, so they was using the color paint and everything on the hoardings they was using. So it was taking so much time, and even they cannot pass their message to myriad number of the people. Nobody know about their brand and everything. But after the 1922, the Williams invented this graphic design. So 90% of the customers, we can send our visual communication and they can easily recognize our brand and their business and everything, what kind of promotion and benefits they have. Then the graphic design optimize the marketing efforts and the components play a role to build a professional brand. We can make our business to professional brand. Graphic design is considering the psychological effects to human side in visual business and creative industries. And one of the writer also, John Maeda, is said design is a solution to a problem and art is a solution to a problem. That's the fact. Then when we talk about the annually how much the graphic designer can earn, so will the Ghibli is a big company who is the hiring the graphic designers. He's seeing the annual salary is high. The high salary is $1,08,000 and the low is $20,000. The majority of international graphic designer salary currently range between $36,000 to $63,000 with the top earns making $86,000 annually. So this kind of the amount you can earn if you do the graphic designing. And also the which country is more familiar with graphic design, they have the more graphic designers. The country is USA, UK, Canada, China and Sweden, Japan and more have good graphic designers and they earning a lot of the annually income they have. If you want to become an international graphic designer, what you have to several qualification you need. So you actually need the bachelor degree in graphic design, fine arts, web design and closely related all the subjects so you can become a graphic designer. We have conclusion. The good graphic design are attention, attraction and familiar with audience, awake, listening and engaged. If you have a good graphic design in your business, so you can pass your vision and mission, you have promotion, discount, whatever you have about your company, your brand level, you can pass to the customer easy way, in a beautiful way. The artist in professional discipline which focus on visual communication and presentation in graphic design. That's the thing. So this is all about my presentation. If you have any questions, so you can ask me.
Anybody has any question? Anybody?
Yes, please.
Yes. So what is essential for the creative industry? Can you please more elaborate on that?
Sorry, could you repeat the question
Yes.
slowly?
So what is essential for the creative industry?
In the creative industry, when we talk about the graphic design, so the marketing efforts is the most essential thing which one play an important role in the graphic design. Then another thing is the customer will familiar easily with your brand and everything, and you can share your ideas and, about your company. So that's the thing, it is the essential in the graphic design.
Okay. Any more questions? Any questions?
Thank you so much for listening to me. That is all about my presentation. Thank you so much.